Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a licensed Microsoft 365 account and signing in at Office. Once signed in, make sure to install or open core Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams so you have the tools ready. Next, enable OneDrive Sync and set your default save location to OneDrive to keep files backed up and accessible across devices. Once done, check your account settings for regional and language preferences so app behavior matches your workflow. Now you configure each app for real work. Connect Outlook to your email and calendar, importing existing accounts so scheduling syncs immediately. Then create Teams channels for projects, invite collaborators, and set appropriate chat and file permissions to control access. Use SharePoint to build shared document libraries, organize folders, and enable versioning so you can recover changes. Make sure to link OneDrive folders to SharePoint libraries where needed. This keeps files synced and searchable across Teams and Office apps. Finish by enabling autosave in Office apps, updating all applications, and confirming backup and retention policies so data stays protected. Next, train your team on co-authoring and real-time editing, and enforce simple naming conventions to avoid conflicts. Finally, verify mobile access and MFA settings for secure remote work. If anything goes wrong, first restart OneDrive and the Office apps. Make sure you're under storage limits and that network or company policies aren't blocking sync. This single troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.